This is a misting set. It provides a cool mist when it's a hot day outside. It can lower the temperature several degrees. So I wanted to show you what came in the box. This is the tubing, and it has the little attachments where the water comes out in a mist to cool us off. Here is a connection for the outdoor faucet. And then it's got a couple of little screens that I guess go on the faucet end probably. And it's got a couple of the extra little brass things that are on this hose already. Then it's got a whole package of clamps with little tiny nails, and that's to, these are to attach to whatever you're going to put the tubing on and hold it on for you. Oh, there's another thing. This is plumber's tape in this bag, plus these quick ties. I'm not sure what they're called. They're not twist ties, but they're plastic and they're heavy duty. So then there is a setup. This is a little brochure of how to install, and question and answers, and diagrams, different diagrams, different setups that you can configure. My first step is to try this out just by laying it out around the pool. I wanted to put it up on the edge of the overhang, but I can't do that by myself. So I'm just sort of going to plan it out and then have someone come and fix it for me. I've got it hooked up to a hose, and I've got it turned on just very slightly. But you can see that it is making a mist. Let me get closer down here. It's getting the concrete deck wet at every point where it's misting out. Here's one that is making mist. All of these are. I know it's probably hard to see on here, but it's working great. And I just held the end down with a brick just to try it out. But it's working, and it is cool around the mist. Very much cooler. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm pleased with it. I just can't install it by myself. I want to thank the brand for sending me this so that I could try it out. I think it's great, and it's going to lower the temperature on this patio because we're facing west and it gets so hot in the afternoon. It's fine if you're in and out of the pool, but just to come out and sit on the patio, it's way too hot. I think this will really fix us and make it comfortable out here. A cloud just went over the sun and made it a little darker around here, so you can see the mist better. I'm doing another clip here so you can see it. It's really working good. So that's my plan, and that's what I'm going to try to get done. And you might like to try one of these for yourself.